we want to find the time taken to fill up the container when the water level achieve 3 units, right? So that means when the water level achieve for 3 units, that means H equal to what? So water level is 3, so H equal to 1 plus 3 should be, it is 4. So when H is 4, the volume, the water inside should be 4 square minus over 2, and then minus 2 plus 1 over 2. So it is 9 over 2 pi. Then talk about the time. You are given that the rate of change of the volume of water inside should be equal to 2 pi t given, right? So we have time now. So what is the relation between the volume and the time? So just do integration and you see that. So volume is equal to pi t squared plus arbitrary constant c. Together with the initial condition, that means when at the very beginning there is nothing in the container, so that means when t is 0, the volume of water inside is 0. In turn, c is 0. So volume equal to pi t squared. Okay, now the volume is we focus on the volume is 9 over 2 pi. So put the volume equal to 9 over 2 pi. Then we have time. T equal to 3 over square root 2, positive number of course, and 2 decimal places, so 2.12 minutes. Okay, finish. But I want to add something, right? Talk about this one. Okay, maybe some students come up with this expression about the volume. Okay, copy it. About the volume. And then he may, up to this stage, use differentiation, find out the dV dt. Okay, that's all right, that's fine. And it is equal to h minus 1 pi. And don't forget, we are using t as a variable, so we have chain rule dh dt. But then, we don't know what is dh dt. We know dV dt is given 2 pi t. And then we have relation between the dh dt and t. And then what? Okay, you may do this, right? You may do this. This is so-called the method of separation of variable. You multiply both sides by dt, you get this dh, right? And then you take integration from both sides, right? So and h when time is 0, right? H is 1, right? This is not talking about the water level. This is talking about the base, right, of the inner space inside the container, h equals 1. And then we want to talk about h equals 4, the situation. And then the time we are going to find, right? So what we have t. So integration, we do that. That is t squared pi t squared. And substitution of the limit t and 0. So you have the left hand side equal to pi t squared. And the right hand side, it is equal to h squared pi, okay, take it out, x squared over 2, and substitution of this limit. So we have this one, and then minus 1 and 1 substitution of limit, that is h substitution limit 4 minus 1. Okay, so you see that t squared equal to 9 over 2, you get the same result, minutes.